Good morning, children. So today our next topic is about the sky above us. First we'll go with the reading part, then we'll write the new words, then we'll go with the explanation part. So first I'll read for you once. See this. The sky above us. Have you looked up at the sky? Does the sky look the same during day and night? When we look up, we can see a huge empty space. This is the sky. The sky is the space where we can see the sun, moon, clouds, and stars. On a clear sunny day, the sky appears blue. When small clouds gather in the sky, they look like cotton. Clouds move with the wind and hide the sun. It seems as if the sun is playing hide and seek with the clouds. Sometimes the sky looks dark gray in color. Dark clouds bring rain. The sky sparks with lightning and roars with thunders during rain. Turn the page. Next. When the sun comes out after the rain, we can sometimes see a rainbow. On a dark, clear night, the moon shines brightly in the sky. We can also see many stars in the sky. Okay, this is about the lesson. Now, once I'll tell you the keywords. Yes. So, we are in week 3 and the lesson name is The Sky Above Us. And these are the keywords, ma. See the keywords, all of you. Sky, sun, space, moon, stars, clouds, wind, roads, thunder, bright. So these are the keywords. First I will explain the keywords, then you can write. First one, sky. So the blue color part which we can see open area. If you come out from your house, you can see. So that is called as sky, the empty space. Okay, that is called as sky. Next, sun. Sun is present in the solar system. Sun is the main source of light and energy on this earth. Without sun, we will not get light. So sun is one of the member in the solar system. Next, space. Space means the thing which we can see openly, okay, in the sky. So that completely it is called as space. Then moon. Moon is the natural satellite of earth. It is the natural satellite of the earth. What do you mean by satellite? Satellite means which revolves round the earth, which revolves round the planet. So moon is the natural satellite of earth. Then stars. We can see number of stars during night time in the sky. If you want, you can check today. Yes, around 7 o'clock you come outside and see. You can see number of stars. Clouds. Clouds are the things which bring rain for us. Okay. In the clouds there will be like water will get evaporated and they form into clouds, and these clouds will bring us rain. Wind. Wind means air. Okay. Wind, the air, the atmosphere which we can see is called wind. Roars. Roars means like shouting. You call it as like lion roars, no? Like that. Roars means big, big sounds. Thunder. Thunder, no, you can hear at the time of raining. Sometimes we hear thunder and lightning. Sometimes, no, the sky thunders a lot. When there is a heavy rainfall, you can hear this thunders. Bright means very bright. You can see it very clearly. So these are the keywords, children. So now I request everyone to write these keywords. Please copy these keywords, all of you. Sky, sun, space, moon, stars, clouds, wind, roars, thunder, bright. So these are the keywords. So after writing these keywords, we'll go with the explanation part. 1 second.